Hello my loves, thank you for clicking in to this video. I hope you go back to my channel and watch my other videos. If you're new here, my name is Maria, and I will be showing you today how I organized my makeup. So I'm going to insert a clip of the before, and then I'm also going to insert a clip of the after. And I hope this helps you to get some idea of how you can organize your makeup. I know I still have a little bit more work to do, but this helped me so much because everything looks so organized and I can find stuff. So let's get into the good stuff. I got the little boxes at the dollar store. They were so cheap. Like, I've seen them in Amazon and they're like $14. Well, each box was $1. That's how inexpensive that was. I just love the dollar store. And then I took the time to see what wasn't working. Maybe the gel eyeliners that were dry, stuff empties that I saved them just in case I want to purchase them again, and I never do. So I took the time to do that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get into it. So here I started organizing all of my makeup by sections. So in one section I had eyeshadows, in other section I had blushes, lipsticks, lip liners, foundations. Everything was going to certain sections, so then I could go ahead and put them in the little boxes. This made it a lot easier for me to put it in the boxes, not going to directly putting it in there, because I was going to letting go of some things. So I just wanted to have that there so I could then let go of things, and whatever I was going to keep, put them in boxes. Start the organization process. So I found these little boxes at the dollar store, and I'm going to put all my lipsticks, and I'm going to start getting rid of some. And this was all garbage. These are empties, papers, and more empties, so garbage. This ended up like that. This is lips, brush, and bronzer. Sorry, bronzer and blush. This is eyeliners and mascara. Eye products like eye primers, shadows, more shadows, and more shadows. And this is my go-to foundation for now. Okay, so here is everything I found that belongs to the bathroom. These are to give away because they're new, and this is all to throw away. So yeah, it looks so organized. Look, so organized.